All right, this is a 2002 Dodge Cummins. Turn the key on. Wait for a second. Flashing at me. No bus. Truck will not start. Come down here. Just plug in the little scan tool. All we're gonna do is plug it in. Turn the key off. Turn the key back on. Wait, the start light is there. No codes. We didn't reset anything. No nothing. Truck starts right up. You tell me what this little scan tool just plugged in did to make this truck start. This truck's got some real ghost problems. Alright, truck is running, scan tool plugged in. Watch, when I unplug this thing, not touching the ignition, do nothing. When I unplug it, instantly kills the truck.